Ever heard of a digital gold rush? It might sound like something out of a sci-fi movie, but that's exactly what the cryptocurrency market has become. Bitcoin, Ethereum, Dogecoin, these names are plastered everywhere, promising a revolutionary financial future. But with so much hype, it's natural to wonder, is any of this real? Today, we're diving into one specific player in this crypto game, Gemini. Is Gemini crypto real? Is it a legitimate platform to navigate this new financial frontier, or just another flash in the pan? Let's unpack it all. The rise of cryptocurrency exchanges. Imagine a world where you can trade gold, not by physically hauling heavy bars around, but by exchanging digital tokens representing that gold. That's essentially what cryptocurrency is, a digital asset designed to work as a medium of exchange. But unlike gold, crypto exists on a decentralized network, meaning no single entity controls it. So, how do you buy and sell this virtual gold? That's where cryptocurrency exchanges come in. They act as marketplaces where you can trade your crypto for traditional currencies like USD or even other cryptocurrencies. Enter Gemini, a regulated player in the crypto arena. The crypto market can be a bit of a wild west. New exchanges pop up all the time, some with questionable practices and security measures. That's where Gemini steps in. Founded in 2014 by the Winklevoss twins, Gemini boasts a reputation for being a secure and regulated cryptocurrency exchange. Here's what sets them apart. Regulation focus. Unlike some shady exchanges operating offshore, Gemini is registered with the New York State Department of Financial Services. This means they adhere to strict regulations and consumer protection laws. Focus on security. Gemini takes security seriously. They employ industry-leading security measures, including multi-factor authentication and cold storage for a majority of user funds. User-friendly interface. Even for crypto newbies, Gemini offers a user-friendly platform that makes buying and selling crypto relatively easy. Is Gemini crypto real? The verdict. So, is Gemini crypto real? In the sense that it's a legitimate platform facilitating cryptocurrency trades on a regulated exchange, absolutely. Gemini offers a secure and user-friendly way to enter the crypto market. But here's the reality check. The world of cryptocurrency is still in its early stages. The value of these digital assets can be incredibly volatile, meaning they can fluctuate wildly in price. Before you jump in with both feet, it's crucial to understand the risks involved. Here are some things to keep in mind. Cryptocurrency is not a guaranteed investment. Prices can plummet as quickly as they soar. Do your research before investing in any cryptocurrency. Only invest what you can afford to lose. The crypto market is unpredictable, so treat it as you would any high-risk investment. Gemini, a platform, not a magic money machine. Think of Gemini as a safe and secure bridge to the world of cryptocurrency. It can help you navigate this new frontier, but it doesn't guarantee riches. Remember, it's still the Wild West out there, and only you can decide if you're ready to saddle up. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.